Welcome back, people. During the comic here, and I have for us a Towering Splash GX box opening video. I've been trying to get into Pokemon card pack openings for a while now, and I saw this guy. I'm just like, I couldn't resist. Do you see this card? It already looks so good. And I know the Team Up box set comes out early February, like February 1st. I was so excited for it, and I'm just like, I need something. I need a little fix right now. So I went up and got this guy, and you know what? Let's just dive into it. Let's just dive in. I'm not sure when they start doing the, putting the huge card version in these sets, but I love them though. I think these are just so cool. Still got the same effect, just bigger. They're just better in my opinion. They're just always better. Especially when you have like such a good style card like this, like making it bigger, just puts so much emphasis on just good design. Looks so cool. But for the card packs, we did have the Celestial Storm, the Lost Thunder, along with another Lost Thunder, and we have the Steam Sage. Now, one thing about it, there was a couple of these box sets when I went in to get it, and I saw the one in the back had this card pack in it, this cover and package, and it was the only one that was gold, and I'm just like, you know what, I gotta get this one. It's something about this one. I believe this is the one that's gonna give me my my ridiculous full art. I feel it. I really feel it. But for now, let's start off with the Thunder, one of the Lost Thunders. Okay, here we go. First off, we have Vulpix, Alolan Vulpix, Houndour, Boiple. Yeah, it's looking good. Said his name really ridiculous. Ultra Beast is looking good, really good. Larvitar, Pachirisu. Oh, the toy clay ones. Love those. Love the realistic ones. Those are always good. Steel Energy, Lost Blender, Silcoon, Kahili, Hoppip, okay. Into the good one, get into the good stuff, and the Chandelure. Look at you. Looking fierce. Oh my goodness. Blue Flames will always look good. No matter what. No matter what it can be. Not bad so far, not bad. I will take that one for now, just the first one. Okay. I should forget, let's just get right back into the next Lost Thunder. Okay, let's see what we got. We have a Alolan Meow. Alolan form. Cupchew. Tangela. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's really cute. Alolan Vulpix, Snubble, Energy. We have Alolan Dugtrio. Looking good, man. Them curls is popping, wavy. Professor Elm's Lecture. That lecture's any fun. Mina. Bayleaf. Okay. And finishing off with Toucannon. I won't lie, that name is very silly. That name is so silly. Toucannon. It's ridiculous, I tell you. Okay, and next we have our Celestial Storm. Come on. What was that to give me trouble? Okay. And first off, we have Whismur. Oh, looking so good. I love the life ones. This is so adorable. They make those little scene form. It's just so much creativity that goes into those. Looks so good. Bellsprout. Wailmer, I've been waiting for you. Where you been? Man, having yo pop up here for a while now, man. You've been lagging behind. Beldum. Spoink. We have Leaf Energy. Hiker. Goofy in the back. So we're just Goofy. Energy Switch. Rainbow Brush. Actually like looking at it. Ooh. Dang. Is that the whole line? I think that was the whole line. Good, good, good. And Deoxys? Ooh. I will take that one. Oh, Deoxys, you looking good too. One of the best Pokemon. Such a cool theme to Deoxys. So cool, so cool. And last but not least, we have this theme. I got a lot of hopes for this guy. Hopefully he pulls through. Can we wait so long? Okay. We have Joltik, Kalink, Tangela, Krogunk. Always looking cool. Chillos. Always good when they got their pals in there. Always. Steelix, Spirit Link. I really hope that's foreshadowing. I really do. Rapidash. Good. Nuzleaf. Who are you creeping on? Stalking? Ooh. The what? The Shimmer. Okay. Okay. Last but not least, we have Yanmega. It's okay. It's okay. Yanmega's cool. He's cool. Look at they got Sonic Vision, the Soul Boom. He's cool. He's cool. Alright. Unfortunately, no big pulls. No big pulls today, but we do have our Chandelure. And we do have our Magikarp and Wailmer. And honestly, this is the main thing that I wanted. Couldn't pass upon this. But thank you guys for watching though. I'm gonna be back as soon as the new card sets are released. Gonna get a dozen of those and just open them up. I just can't wait. That set's gonna be just it's gonna be so much fun. But I'm Duran the Comic, and I will see you guys next time.